During Apollo 12, astronauts reported hearing an eerie whistling sound in their headsets. NASA called it radio interference. But when the astronauts returned, they submitted the full audio logs. Those logs were never released. Instead, NASA archived the mission and marked several files classified anomaly. Years later, a partial recording leaked, a rhythmic tone, almost musical coming from the lunar far side. Experts said it didn't resemble solar wind or radio static. Some believed it was lunar resonance. Others suggested it was something transmitting from inside the moon. NASA denies anything unusual, but the missing tapes, they still haven't been found. So what did Apollo 12 really hear out there?